Hey, what's up, guys? It's Yo-Yo Swizzle. I just decided today. I didn't have much to do, so I decided to make 3 reviews on past yo-yos and newer yo-yos that I've gotten. Here's the 3 yo-yos that I will be reviewing on. I'm hoping that there's no shadow. Yeah, of course there's a shadow. Okay, so we got the Dv888, the older version. We got the One Drop Dingo, and we got the Yo-Yo Factory North Star. The Dv888 is also Yo-Yo Factory. So I'll be going one at a time, and three separate videos. The first yo-yo is the Dv888. Now, to give you some specs on it, the diameter is 50.15 millimeters. The width is 40.58 millimeters. The gap width is 4.67 millimeters. It weighs 67.40 grams. It's size C, normal bearing, and CBC pads for the response. Now, how this differs from the newer version, there's a few slight differences. Like there's a fraction, like 0.11 millimeters in the diameter. The width and gap width are the same. The weight, the newer version weighs 1.40 millimeters less than this version. So this version weighs more than the newer version. The bearing size is the same, and the newer version used K-pad 888 size response. So, what did I think about this yo-yo? When I first got it, I was using the Velocity, which, now that I think about it, like, I didn't really use it all that much. Like, I got it, and I was sort of into yo-yoing, but then I stopped, and now that I think about it, I really didn't learn much on it. Like, I perfected the trapeze, did some string tricks, like Eiffel Tower, stuff like that, easier stuff. But for the year that I had it, I probably didn't use it all that much. But when I got this, I learned a little bit. I think it was when I got my Dingo, I really appreciated this yo-yo. As I'll say when I do the review on the One Drop Dingo, it makes you appreciate other yo-yos. And it actually makes you appreciate other yo-yos when you try a yo-yo that like is a different weight or a different size. Takes you out of your comfort zone a little bit. This thing is really smooth. The Dv888, it's really smooth. You can land it on a string. Everything I have ever done, I'm able to learn on this yo-yo. I haven't had a problem at all. This thing has taken a beating, if you can see. Like, it's got dings and scratches. Like, I had it on my lap in the car at night, and I went to get out of the car, forgot it was in my lap, and it hit the ground and rolled down the concrete. Oh, it was horrible. But, I would say if you're getting into yo-yoing, if you have like trapeze down, and looking for a decent metal, this is the way to go. Yeah, I think it was around the $44, $45. I really like this yo-yo. I want to get a newer one, one of the newer versions. I'm going to hold on to this because they don't make purple anymore, and it's an older version, so I'd like to hold on to this. This was by far one of my favorite yo-yos. I mean, I mean, until I got this one, of course. But I still like throwing this one. It's smooth. It feels good in your hand. I would really like it if it was a little bit bigger and maybe weighed just a little bit more. Maybe like 68 grams. But for the most part, it's a decent throw. I've heard you could. I've seen what people do with it. You can pretty much do any trick you want, and with this, I've had problems with like thumb grinding and stuff, but I suck at that stuff. So like I can't speak for everyone, because I'm still in like intermediate, advanced or whatever. But I like this yo-yo. So I would say get this yo-yo if you have the chance, if you have the money. It's a decent throw. It's pretty smooth, and you won't be disappointed. All right, Dv888. There you go. Bam. All right, on to the next review. See you guys later.